hey, check this really cool image of GitHub. But anyways, that's not what you're here for today. I'm going to show you how to make a click game from scratch, and today is the first episode of this series. So obviously we need to go to the Scratch website, scratch.me.edu, and we should already have been logged in, obviously. Let's go to create. Let's call this wait, let me just first say what assets are. So actually before we start, I want to mention this is the Scratch sprite library, and sprites are like objects in the game, characters, objects, obstacles, stuff like that. You can either go to Scratch library and search for a sprite. You can choose. Oh yeah, this is the searchable. This wait. Oh, this is the same as this one. Okay, so this and this is the same. Here in Paint, you can make your own Scratch character. Oops. Yeah, but you can delete this. So you have code, costumes, and sounds. We will get to sounds later, I promise. Surprise is I never use this because surprise is just like it chooses a random sprite, or you can upload a picture or an image of something and you can turn it into a sprite. But let's go to this sprite Scratch library. Sorry guys, I'm searching for a character. What should we do? There's a lot of... Oh, what about Fruit Clicker? I'm going to name my project Flute Clicker. Fruit Clicker. Okay. Don't forget to save your file. We don't need this. I mean, if you want to use this cat as a clicking sprite, then that's fine. But I'm going to. You can choose whatever you want. I'm going to choose this apple. It's a line right here. So when green flag clicks, so basically what this does, this block on its own doesn't do nothing. It needs something. Go to X, Y, Z. Go to X0, 1, 0. X 0, Y 0. If you had parabolas in algebra math class, then you probably know what it is. But X and Y is like the grid. Wait, no, back. Go to backdrop. Yeah, there's also a thing called backdrops. I don't need to explain it anymore. Backdrops are literally like backgrounds. Hold up. Yeah, so as you can see, these are the coordinates, and x0, y0 is the middle. It's literally the middle. As you can see, the highest and the lowest y coordinates, so like vertical, going up and down, is 180, and the furthest, the most western point is -1 to 40. Most eastern point is x to 40. But I don't want this backdrop. Let's delete it. You'll frequently switch between the code, costumes, and sounds. You're mostly being code. So when green flag clicked, go to X0, Y0. And this also, I forgot to mention, this is just an extra introduction video, like setting it up, you know. Make a variable. So score. Variables are basically scores. Well, not only scores, they can be. It's mostly used for scores. Sometimes it can be for chance games like rolling the dice or something like that, like rolling the die. can be used like that for that. But we are not here for dice today. We are here for score. So, hello guys. I need to. When green flag clicked, set score to 0 bit. So when this green flag clicks, it will be set to 0. I wish I introduced you to something new. When this sprite clicked, so what, it's literally self-explanatory. Change score by 1. So as you can see, also don't play in the editor because you can move stuff around. Oh, also see, I'm gonna use auto clicker. It's built into my mouse. We have our score is 50 right now. If we click on the green flag, what will happen? The score will change to 0. Let's move this around. See? So the apple is in on the XY coordinates in the middle, and when we click on the green flag, the score becomes 0. And when we click on the apple, the score changes by 1. Okay, so these are like the basics of a clicker game. The last thing I wanted to show you is adding sounds and like an animation, like not wait, not really an animation. No. I'll put animation in another video. Let's add sound. Oh, I don't really like this. So if we go to sounds from the 3 tabs, choose a sound. We have a library full of sounds, and there's a really lot. But luckily, that we don't have to find the sounds we want. We can just go to effects, because this is what we are looking for. See, I'm looking maybe for a coin or collect. Nah, that will be annoying. Pop. I'm looking. Wait. Where's pop? Pop. I'm going to use this sound. We have a lot of musical options here, but you can discover this on your own because you won't really need this in the Scratch games, but if you want, these blocks are more necessary than these ones. And you can just rename your sound to click. You can copy to new. Copy to new basically means that you're making a new that you're importing a new sound, but like copy and pasting it at the same time. Copy is literally like copying, and you will need to paste it. So when this sprite clicked, this one. Yeah. Wait. Okay. Let's just do. Yeah, okay, this one is more necessary. So let's discuss the difference between start sound and play sound. So play sound it's really hard to explain. The difference between these blocks is that start sound, when you click an apple and you have start sound. Hold up, let me just. What if we import another sound? Hold up. Yeah, for example, this start sound alert. So it like when I click it, it begins every time, so it doesn't end unless we click it. So play sound and this play sound, look. Oh, that's weird. Well, I guess it's... Oh, that's weird. You know what? Anyways, these blocks are basically the same. I'm just going to use start sound, but play sound is better. I don't, because sometimes it can like have a one second of the sound and just loop it over and over again. But I'm going to use this one for the tutorial. It does work. I'm sorry for longer tutorial, but yeah, it's you know, the beginning, the first time I'm making a series, so you should expect me like this. The last thing I want to show you is when we click, it does make a sound, but it's really boring. It doesn't show any animation. The apple is not doing nothing. The only thing that has a stimulus is the score. It's changing. Nothing else. There's no action except the score variable. So I have an idea. Get a weight block and change it to wait 1/20th seconds. Go to looks and look for this block, set size. We need 2 of these, so right click, duplicate, and now we have 2 of them. We will set this one to 100 and this one to 110. Let's see if it, actually I'm curious if this works. There we go. So yeah, so that's literally what it does. It looks less boring now, since it has like an animation now. So when we click it, then the apple moves. The apple becomes bigger and quickly goes to its original size. Also, reminder: don't forget to save your work. Thank you for watching today's episode on how to create a scratch clicker game. I'll see you in another episode. Goodbye.